of the second half. Since that time, a whole lot of metal going on. Hooper's free throw hits the front of the rim and hops through. Hooper's got 11 points tonight. He's also got 4 rebounds and 3 assists. Knocks them both down. That's a nice boost for Hoop. Denver by 7, 87-80, 27 seconds to go. 3 on the way. Air ball, rebound to Chen. Chen trying to get it out, turned it over. Back the other way. That's an offensive foul. You got to be kidding me. There's a foul on Chen on the putback attempt. He took it was a charge. And again, it's that magical new rule they've put into college basketball this year with the imaginary half circle around the front edge of the rim down to the floor. And if you're backed in underneath that, you cannot take a charge. You have to be outside of the rim area, and that might have been one of those calls. So 19.8 to go. The free throw is good by Theron Taylor. He's got his 5th point of the half. Chen comes out. Pioneers have a whole lot of fouls. But this game better not go OT. Theron Taylor's 2nd free throw is good again. 38% free throw shooter. Give him credit. He drilled them both. So it's a 5-point game and still 19.8 left. Not out of the woods yet. Hallam on the baseline. Ball comes into Nate. Nate just holds. Gets it off to Travis. Quickly up ahead to Chase. Chase burning a lot of time. Gets it away to Hooper. Now we're down to 12 seconds to go. Northridge not fouling, and they finally do with 9.5 to go. They just let the Pioneers run 10 seconds off the clock, down by 2 possessions. And now Nate Ronert back to the line after missing a couple. Will look to atone for his last trip. Nate's been great in the second half. 15 points on the night for Mr. Ronert. Free throw for Nate. Got it. Nate also 3 rebounds and 4 assists in this game. Nate one more can put Denver up by 7. That's critical. That's a 3-possession game, and he does. 89-82 Denver. They're going to hang on, but my, oh my, did they get a test here late in the game. Long 3. Vinny McGee won't go. Travis Hallam, the outlet to Kyle. Kyle has the ball stripped, and that will end the basketball game. 89-82. The Pioneers, you know, the Princeton offense, keep the score low and grind them out.